Tigger was one of my favorites.
Yeah.
I even had a stuffed Tigger.
Thanks. Have a good one.
I think I know. Alright, so we don't have a double this one.
Oh, you're the sink. Sorry. Okay. I probably don't have any more long ones. But everything, but I'll have to fix that tomorrow. Well, I mean, I gotta pick it up. I gotta pick it up tomorrow. Yeah, so Brimfield walks in Yankees in the morning.
That's
Okay,
totally
good.
fine.
All right.
And I'm gonna put that right in there too.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
And thank you.
Count that, make sure we're good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And here is the haul. I'll go through it quickly. I'm not gonna, say what everything is, but I'll just get a little closer in there for you. I didn't get too many necklaces. I actually only got one necklace because they were literally all in a ball. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I got a lot of larger size rings. This is native. I got turquoise. These are Taxco. This is stunning. I think it's Israeli. Of course, tons of rings. Oh my gosh, those are native. Of course, I have the cameos, brooches, and pendants. This, I think, is camphor glass, right? This is a brooch. Beautiful, beautiful rings, earrings. I still have to clean everything and test everything. So, like, all the stones have to be tested. Look at that. Brooch. This I actually have to fix. He gave me a deal. It's missing a few marcasites. Pendants. Turquoise. Beautiful earrings. I'm pretty sure that those are diamonds, but I'll check. Beautiful bracelets. I'll check what stone those are. Had little dangles on here. Oh my gosh, just so much goodness. And this is only from 2 vendors because the rain was just nonstop, and there was literally, like, everyone was packed up and gone by like 1 o'clock when we got there. So cool. That obviously has to get cleaned. But oh my gosh. And would you believe I did not get anything for me? Actually, I did get one thing, but it's because I needed it. I bought a chain because I had recently got a pendant for myself, and I needed a longer chain. So now I have to just see if this matches and if it looks right. Otherwise, it'll be for sale. But so I will have the auction at the end of the month, and we will sell all these goodies. So let me know what your favorite items were down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.